Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to cut audio in Adobe After Effects, perfect for any project. First, import your audio file. Click on File, then select Import and choose your audio file. Once imported, drag your audio file to the timeline. This sets it for editing. To cut the audio, position the playhead where you want to cut. That's the vertical line on the timeline. Next, use the split layer shortcut by hitting Ctrl plus Shift plus D on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus D on Mac. Finally, select the unwanted audio segment and hit Delete. You've successfully cut your audio. For final touches, you can adjust the volume levels by clicking on the audio layer. Always preview your project by hitting the spacebar. This helps ensure your cuts are seamless. Once satisfied, export your project. Click Composition, then Add to Render Queue. Select your desired settings, and click Render. Now, your audio is professionally cut. And there you have it. You've learned how to cut audio like a pro in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.